In this video, I'm going to show you how to detect when a timing belt needs replacement and what faults they cause in the car. Let's start. Number 1. Cracks in the belt. If you notice cracks in the timing belt, you need to replace it immediately because at any time this can break. This happens because of the intense heat that the engine generates cracking the belt, or because this is of poor quality. Number 2. Belt with shiny and worn areas. If you notice that the belt has shiny channels, it is because it is not sliding correctly. When the belt does not slide through the channels, it tends to wear and become shiny. This can generate overtension or misalignment in the timing belt. You can check this by running your finger through the channels, and you will see that your finger turns black. This means that the strap is in bad condition. Number 3. Dirt on the belt. If the timing belt is contaminated with water, oil, or dust, the plastic protector is not doing its job and needs to be checked. Number 4. Loose timing belt. If the timing belt is loose, it is because the timing belt is stretched, most likely because it has expired, causing noise in the belt area when the car is started. Number 5. Timing belt too tight. Here the opposite happens. Usually when we touch the timing belt, it can flex a little, but if we notice that the belt has too much tension, we will have to adjust the tensioner, as this can be moved by tightening the belt to a point where it can break and cause damage to the vehicle. Some of the faults generated by a bad timing belt are vibration in the engine, excessive smoke in the exhaust pipe, late starting of the engine, problems in the steering of the car, and squealing in the belt area. But how often should the timing belt be changed? There really is no specific number of miles to change the timing belt. This may depend on the manufacturer of the belt. The service life of a belt is estimated between 60,000 to 100,000 kilometers, but this can vary quite a bit, depending on the engine, manufacturing materials, and more. However, professionals recommend changing the timing belt every 80,000 or 90,000 kilometers. Take this into account. If you buy a second-hand car, it is indispensable that you change the timing belt for the safety of your engine. If you are used to buying generic timing belts, keep in mind that it does not offer the best quality and its useful life is between 10,000 kilometers or less. However, it is better to change it before that mileage to prevent it from breaking. I hope you liked this information. Any questions, let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video.